Hello, friends. Hello, warriors. Hello, healers. Happy whatever day we're watching this. Okay, so let me get right into it. This video is gonna have some of the answers you've been looking for and some of the information that you need to make the best decision to see if our natural weight loss injection is the best fit for you. Okay? So we are bringing these injections into our clinic, and my patients are asking why. I have very, very smart, intuitive people in my clinic, and I'm just going to answer the question why. All right. So as you guys know, weight loss for many, many people can be very challenging, can be a struggle. Some people will do the most to lose the weight and gain it back. Some people will have surgery. Some people will do the weight loss injection, the semaglutide, the GLP-1, Ozempic, Wegovy. Because I've always had a weight loss program in my clinic, duration, we've been in practice for 9 years. I've always had a weight loss program. Therefore, when people Google weight loss doctor, we happens to be one of the first recommendation, okay, on Google. We've been getting a lot. We have been receiving a lot of phone calls asking if we offer weight loss injections. And it so happens to be no, 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 we don't offer weight loss injections. I mean, for the amount of call all last year, 2024, people are calling to see if we offer the semaglutide, and some people will come to us being on the GLP-1 semaglutide and not doing well at all. But they desire something that is affordable, something that is gonna move the needle forward. They're gonna see results. Okay, something that's not gonna require a lot of work. And they've been asking us. I listened and I went on a journey of searching for a company that can provide the best weight loss, natural weight loss injection for my people. I know many of you guys are watching this for the first time. You don't know how anal I am when it comes to ingredients. I am very, very specific on what I put into people's body because I want to make sure that whatever I'm recommending not only is effective, is safe, but it works, but not at the expense of toxicating, is that a word? Intruding toxins to your body, okay? Because my step number 2 in healing your body is detoxification. So if I have a program called the Total Body Restoration Program where we help you address a lot of these issues, removing toxins, you lose the weight in this program. But toxins is very important to me when it comes to the source or not putting into your body. So that's the number one reason why we brought in this natural weight loss because I didn't feel comfortable providing the semaglutide, the GLP-1, the Wegovy, because I know there are so many side effects out there, and the people that are doing well on it are doing other things and not telling you, like the celebrities, like the one that's with the O. They have a chef, they exercising, they, cleansing the liver. So they're doing the most. For you to be taking the injections only, not changing your diet, not exercising, not doing detoxification, you're doing your body a disservice. Yes, you might lose the weight and feel amazing looking at yourself in the mirror, but do you have the energy? Are you losing muscle mass? Are you actually losing the fat? Or you losing muscle mass? Do you feel good in your body? Do you have the stamina? And usually the answer is no. I'm losing the weight, but again, my stomach start hurting. I'm having digestive issues. My liver's taking a toll. I saw a patient today who told me that she has a friend who took the GLP-1, ended up in the hospital. Now, I am not trashing GLP-1. You do what's best for you, but I'm telling you what people have been reporting to us. And since I am a practitioner that's always about the solution, healthier solution, I cannot just sit and watch people that desire to feel good, that are investing, using the hard-earned money to feel good in the bodies to get the weight loss, and watch them do things that are destroying the bodies, the organs, and the health. I can't. I couldn't just be here and be like, oh, I'm not touching it. So yes, for the past 3 months, I've studied a lot of companies. We have been in contact with a lot of companies. I've studied the ingredients they have. I've asked if they can add certain ingredients, and I've asked about the potency and how they make those injections. I've been literally on the search for a product that I can feel comfortable recommending, and then I can sleep at night because I have a conscience. I have a conscience because I am a very spiritual, I'm a God girl. I don't feel like I can just put anything out there to get people's money. I want to make sure that if you are following my recommendations and you are coming to me, investing in yourself through me, you are going to get results. So finally, we found a company that I'm actually liking right now. I'm liking very much the products, and I'm ready to put this natural weight loss injection out to you guys. So that's the only reason. It's like people have been asking, and I can't keep saying no. Like I took an oath to do well. So no, I don't do this. No, I don't do that. Versus like, okay, let me just look into it. Let me do research. How can I contribute to the solution? How can I help people introduce the product and injection into the bodies that are not causing harm? And that's the MIC B12. Now I do things completely different. I do things different because I am aware that you can go to the IV drip, IV lounge, IV, whatever place to get the McBill 12, but our dosage is completely different. It's like the same thing. You go into different vitamin shop to get B vitamins, but all B vitamins are different. That's the same thing. Our dosage is more potent. The ingredients are safer, less toxicant, and we are mixing things up. I recommend the injections 2 times per week. Every time you come, you're getting a different injection. So the first one is the MIC B12, and then the second injection you'll get from us for the same price, we add in vitamins in it. We add in L-carnitine. We also add in B6 and B1 in it. You're not getting the same every single time. I am going to share with you scientific based information about these MIC B12. They do more than weight loss. These injections are amazing. So we have a promotion before I go into this. We have a promotion running right now for $45. $45 for one injection, and I recommend 10. If you do 10 injections and you have a clean diet, remove all the grains, and because you're gonna get energy, you're gonna move your body so you can go back to exercising or go for a walk or get on the treadmill, like move your body to increase circulation, you are gonna see improvement depending on how much you do at home. The injections alone is not gonna make you lose weight. You're not gonna do the injection and do nothing else. Don't change your diet. I mean, that's like, what's the purpose? These are there to couple with what you're doing or to give you the energy so you can have the stamina to go food shopping, meal prepping, to cook the food, right? Because I know when we are tired and sluggish, we don't want to do anything. Like the least you can do after working hard all week or coming home after at the end of the day, you just want to lay down and recover. With these injections, because we have B vitamins, L-carnitine in it that are designed to produce energy at the cellular level, you're gonna find yourself getting off that couch and move your body and do something. Let me share with you the ingredients and what are they designed to do. I know in the previous video, I kind of go over them briefly, but we're gonna go into more details here. MIC B12 injection, a powerful tool for weight loss. You guys know MIC stands for methionine, inositol, choline, and then the extra C is for L-carnitine. So carnitine and then B12. All right? They promote fat metabolism. If you want to lose weight, you want to lose fat, not muscles, energy production, and then helps the liver detoxify just a little bit, not a lot, because they're mobilizing, removing the fat from the liver. A lot of medical weight loss programs, which I am a medical weight loss doctor, I have my certification in weight loss, study with the best, okay? We use this. Again, we just have to be mindful of the dosage, the sources, and then the product itself, because not all MIC B12 are the same. Methionine is the all amino acid, all three, including L-carnitine, the all amino acid, but methionine, his job is to reduce fat buildup in the liver so that you can improve metabolic function. And it helps with muscle recovery. You're preserving your muscle mass. It helps with insulin sensitivity. So therefore, you're gonna have decreased cravings, okay, and stabilize your blood sugar. A lot of people cannot lose weight because they have insulin resistance. So this is gonna help with insulin sensitivity. So you're not gonna find yourself going for the carbs. Like you wanna eat that cookie, you wanna eat that ice cream, that chocolate, like cravings. But it also helps with fat breakdown by improving cellular metabolism. And it helps with mood and brain function. You see, does a lot of things. Choline helps with fat transport and metabolism. And it helps the liver. So we have to address the liver when we want to lose weight. Again, my total body restoration program is strictly that. That's why people lose anywhere from 10 or more pounds weight loss in this program. But couple this plus the injection, you're going to lose more. So this also boosts cognitive function and memory. You're going to feel good. You're going to feel motivated to get up and cook for yourself and not pick up takeouts on your way home. And we're gonna use methylcobalamin. I don't use cyanocobalamin because that's the trashiest B12. It's very toxic. So we do methylcobalamin, energy production, red blood cells, oxygenation delivery, helps with sleep, and also help with nerve conduction. With L-carnitine, I found this wonderful article from Mount Sinai University.org. So you know if they're talking about it, must be true. So L-carnitine is really beneficial and effective when it comes to burning fat and using fat for energy. If you don't do anything, this injection is going to give you energy. How many of us can use some energy here? I know a lot of my patients can. Now, you might say your body makes it, it stores in the skeletal muscle, heart, brain, and sperm, right? For men. But why are we so depleted? If that's the case, then we all should be skinny and lean, right? But we're not. Because some people do not have enough L-carnitine. Their body doesn't make enough to transport it into the tissue to help it do what it needs to do. But L-carnitine is not only for weight loss, though. It helps with heart conditions, help remove the atherosclerosis from the arteries. It helps with diabetic neuropathy, that nerve issues, and it also helps with exercise performance. So you're gonna find yourself probably doing a little bit more in the gym. You're gonna perform differently when you take this. And it helps the brain, it helps the kidneys, it helps a lot of stuff. Why? Because remember, your body makes it and store it in the brains. It might help with the heart because your body store it in the heart. Your body stored in multiple parts of our bodies. So if you're looking at this MIC B12 injections, you're like, well, I don't know if it's good for me. Should I like actually invest my money? Yes, because the benefits, the improvement and the results are like humongous, tremendous. Is that the word? A lot. You know what I'm saying? And you never go wrong with a product that are designed to do multiple things. If you don't lose the weight, which I find it to be hard to believe, unless you are not following recommendations, you're eating whatever, you haven't changed your diet, if you don't lose weight, at least you're going to have more energy. Your cognitive function is going to be improved. But something will happen when you use this product. If you had MIC B12 and it does nothing for you, I highly recommend that you consider the dosage. Did you get watered down MIC B12? Did you actually get a dose that is potent? Were you giving it enough time? Were you getting 1, 2 injections and then you call it quit? If that's the case, then it's not going to work for you. One of anything is never going to work. So I recommend 10 with a clean diet. You should start seeing improvement after the 4th one. Because again, we're changing it. We're giving you 2 different injections. One is the MIC B12 with the L-carnitine, and the second one is the MIC B12 with L-carnitine plus those extra B vitamins that most of us are so deficient in to kind of support your cells and turn that food you're eating into mitochondria, into energy for you to feel your best. Appetite control, cravings. We're not starving ourselves here. This is not the same medication where you trick your brain not to eat. You are going to have to eat for you to lose the weight. So a study from the 2016 by the International Journal of Endocrinology found that people taking anisotol, which is part of the injection, reduced the BMI by 4 to 5% in 12 weeks. 12 weeks, that's not bad. But again, you have to look at the dosage. We want to be more active. It's good for our brain. It's good for circulation. We don't want to be sedentary. But when we are tired and exhausted, nobody wants to get up and exercise. Even if you do, you're doing a disservice to your body. You're creating more inflammation than good. So a 12-week clinical trial by the Obesity Research and Clinical Practice found that make B12 people are losing 1 to 2 times more weight than those that are following diet and exercise. Diet and exercise alone is not going to cut it. If you are in a weight loss journey right now and you're like, I know I can do better, more than what I'm doing now, this might be the thing you've been looking for and waiting for. If you're paying attention, you put in the energy behind researching products, researching labels, you're like me, you're in Whole Food reading everything, and you put in good nutrients in your body, but you're not seeing results, you're not losing the weight, this might be what you're waiting for. So for the month of February, I'm recording this February 21st until March 7th, we are celebrating bringing this wonderful natural weight loss injection into my clinic, and then people can get it for $45. It is not $45 anywhere around here, I'm telling you. If you find a weight loss injection for $30, again, look at the dosage, look at the source, what are you getting? Ours have at least 7 ingredients in it for $45. You are not losing, you're only gaining. Even after the promotion stops, you're still gonna get tons of values for the price that it's gonna be, which might be 60, 65. We're not sure yet. It'll be 65. But I highly recommend that you actually give yourself this opportunity, okay, to try something different. It's 10 injections. You have nothing to lose. There are so many benefits to this thing. Not only me telling you, but also all these wonderful researchers telling you. And you owe it to yourself to address the stubborn weight or stubborn fat and give your body an opportunity to heal so that you can feel your very best. Feel good in your body, all right? Feel good in your brain. It's amazing when you wake up, you're like, oh, wow, I have the energy. I'm motivated. I'm determined. I'm going to get up and take action. I'm going to get up and go for a walk, because you're getting these injections. Make B12 also help with cholesterol too. Okay, it's not just weight loss. I'll do another video about that. And then I'll do another video comparing this with semaglutide. So you can see the difference and see which one might be beneficial for you so that you can make the best decision. But at the end of the day, don't procrastinate. This is for you. If you're interested in taking part of our promotion until March 7th, 2025, you see all the information below. Reach out to us. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions, schedule to get this. We're excited to help so many people just get that extra pounds off, or coupling this with whatever else they're doing so they can see the most results. All right, until then, I'll see you on the next video.